First 3 rows. Install the flooring with the grooved edge facing away from the wall from left to right, placing the small tongue edge into the larger groove edge. If the starting wall is straight, cut the planks to width, subtracting a 1/4 inch for expansion. If the wall is not straight, you may have to measure and cut the flooring to compensate for the uneven wall. Measure the distance from one end of the board to the wall and then measure the other end, mark, and cut. Transfer the marks to the floor and strike a chalk line between the two. Next, align the first row of planks with the small tongue on the chalk line. Use a small piece of plank to scribe the wall onto the plank, as shown here. Be sure to leave a 1/4 inch gap between the board and the wall to allow for expansion. After you cut the planks to size and reassemble, place 1/4 inch spacers between the flooring and the wall, or place row against the wall until the next 2 rows are assembled. Start the second row with the leftover piece from the first row to create a staggered layout. Angle the plank with the long edge of the tongue into the groove of the first row. Leaving the plank at a slight angle, then install the next plank. Here is the angle locking from another angle. Continue installing the rest of the second and third row in this manner, with the planks at an angle, engaging the end joint first, then the long joint. Once the first 3 rows are assembled with 1/4 inch spacers at the perimeter, check the row to make sure it is straight using a chalk line on the end of the plank and the first seam.